How to write on WhatsApp status. To get started, first of all, you need to open the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be taken to this page where you can view your chat list. Then, go over to the option Updates at the bottom left corner. Then, from this page, tap on this pen icon beside the camera icon over here. Now, you need to type in your status. Once you're done typing, you can change the background color as well. And after you're done with your status, hit the send button over here. Then, tap on My Status to view the story. So, by following these simple and easy steps, you can go ahead and easily write on WhatsApp status. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.